Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a college financial aid appeal letter. This letter is a formal request submitted by a student to their college's financial aid office for a reconsideration of their financial aid package due to changes in financial circumstances. You begin your financial aid appeal letter by listing your full name, address, contact details, and the date. Then, you address the Office of Financial Aid at your college, including their full address. Next, you add a subject line stating your purpose and appeal for reconsideration of your financial aid award. Finally, you open the letter with a respectful greeting, "Dear Financial Aid Committee." After that, write, "I am writing to respectfully request a reconsideration of my financial aid package for the upcoming academic year. I am truly grateful for the assistance I have already been offered. But due to unexpected financial challenges, specifically briefly state reasons such as a parent's job loss or increased medical expenses, my family is currently unable to meet the remaining cost of attendance. I remain committed to my education at university name and am doing my best to contribute through part-time work and scholarships, but it is not enough to cover the gap. I have enclosed documentation to support this appeal and would be extremely grateful for any additional assistance the university may be able to provide. I am passionate about continuing my studies in your major or program, and any financial support would significantly ease the burden and allow me to focus on my academic goals. Thank you very much for your time and consideration. Sincerely, your full name." Here's our sample college financial aid appeal letter. You'll notice how it clearly explains the reason for the appeal and outlines the student's change in financial circumstances. The letter ensures clear communication with the financial aid office and strengthens your case for receiving additional support. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing clear and effective academic and financial aid letters.